Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what I've got here this morning is a customer that's landed. First of all, what we're going to do is just show this machine running and I'll explain what's happening. So before we start. So we'll start the machine and what you find is the machine is hunting. So we put a new turbo nozzle on. So we've got a surge in. So the first thing we've gone to is the turbo nozzle, and what you can see there is if you look carefully inside you'll see all these shiny lines. It's a sign that what's happening is the customer itself all set up lovely hose reel, machine not covered in dust too much, but what's simply happening is we've got no lid on the actual wheelie bin. So fantastic idea and everything else, but if we look in the bottom we've got a lot of dust everywhere, sand. So the sand itself is staying there, but the dust is getting through. It's not possible to get filters that can stop the dust from getting through, but the sand will get caught up. It's running right through the system. Now that becomes gritty as the dust itself, and it's wearing things away. So like as soon as we see the turbo nozzle filter, we know that that dust has got through the system. Even though, check these filters in a minute or two and make sure they're all okay and it's not gritted up. It will catch the grit, but it will not catch the dust. We've got to think about what we're doing. And like I say, just for a lid, that's where the fault is coming from. So always remember, yep, keep your machine well away and your tub from where you're working. Always put plenty more hose on so you're working on the site, but the machine stays away from where it's working round from all the dust and sand. Just something to help customers out there. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.